Qualcomm hosting its Investor Day in New York today, laying out some new long-term growth targets for its business units. And joining me now, fresh off the stage, is Cristiano Amon, Qualcomm's CEO, in the first on CNBC interview. Cristiano, good to see you. So some big targets here, especially IoT, Internet of Things, 14 billion fiscal year 2029. What changes between now and then growing that business to that size?
Hey, John, great talking to you. Look, we have said before, we are really focused on diversify the company and grow. We said that there are many markets that could benefit from our technology in addition to mobile. And we see now the opportunity to start scale revenue on PCs. As we said in the last earnings call, the number of platforms now is 58, 2.5 times expansion of design wins since the launch in May. We see an opportunity to continue to grow in XR, mixed reality, augmented reality, especially augmented reality because of Gen AI. And we took our time to develop an ability to grow organically, industrial, building a complete software platform. We'll lay out those targets. We expect by 2029 IoT to be 14 billion. And as we head towards 2030, our goal is to get the company that is only 50% of the revenue, it's mobile, 50% is from auto and IoT, and we're going to have a much more diversified company going forward.
Yeah, wow, and I take it probably after that, then the company becomes majority not mobile, is the implication there, since sort of mobile's been your bread and butter. So tell me, particularly for that PC number to get where you want it, I think 4 billion revenue is your target. How much of that hinges on you being able to figure out this legal stuff with ARM?
Look, we're very confident in our position. We're heading towards a trial in December. And Qualcomm has broad rights to the instruction set based on our license, and we expect the court will decide it. But I think the real answer to your question is, we have seen significant traction increasing in PCs from our OEMs. We have successfully launched and started the ramp volume on X series. And it's also good to see ARM showing our devices when they message to investors about that there's now ARM into the PC ecosystem. I think that's another validation.
So we haven't seen you on TV at all since you did have earnings not too long ago, a few days ago. Tell me about this premium wave in phones right now, because the mid-tier really seems to be suffering with the global economy doing what it is. What are you seeing for Snapdragon, which seems to be a little bit above the fray?
Like we're very happy about that. And by the way, just a comment, even though we're working to diversify the company and get auto and IoT to be 50% or more as we get to the end of the decade, we still love phones. And we're not missing the pace in phones, and we still have a big upside with AI. And we're basically preparing for that with Snapdragon 8 Elite. Snapdragon 8 Elite restored the performance leadership to Android, and what's kind of reflected in our earnings call, the premium tier continues to grow. In a market that does not grow, we see the premium tier expanding. As a matter of fact, we announced today that our premium tier revenue is 5 times our nearest competitor. And it was really show that people want a better phone. They do more on their phones, and that's going to become even more of a reality when AI application starts to grow in number.
I want to go back to industrial IoT. For years now, particularly a couple years back, pre-pandemic even, there was all this talk about how 5G was going to drive massive digital transformation in manufacturing, in industrial. I think that hasn't really happened to the extent that many had projected. What does AI do for that transformation process?
It's an excellent question. I think it's 5G plus AI. And what is really happening right now, I think you should start thinking about the industrial IoT. It's evolving to its next platform, which is about running AI at the edge, running large language models at the edge, There's, first of all, a significant economic incentive. Actually, we had display testimonials from some of the largest ecosystems on Investor Day. You saw Amazon, you saw Microsoft saying about the role of the edge on AI. You create and train models on the cloud, you deploy them also at the edge. That is the opportunity. In industrial, that's a no-brainer. When you think about the number of use cases across different verticals, the opportunity to disrupt with AI is significant. And what we have done and described in Investor Day is we took our time in the past few years to develop a comprehensive platform, including products that can run that AI with industrial standards, and now we're ready to start to scale that business.